Okay, so I think I'm recording. I hope so. Um, all right, let me exit out of this. I was doing a practice one, but basically, um, what I did here was I just got a screenshot of my rubric because I knew I wanted to put my rubric in there and it wasn't showing up so big, or I guess easily readable. So I went to my blank page and I went to my Google Drive, I found my rubric, I opened it up, and then I took a screenshot. So, screenshot of the document. Okay, I went back to my notebook. I inserted the picture. Screenshot. Oh, recent screenshot. There it is. Okay, I inserted it into the document, resized it. When I went to present, it's not that easy to read. It's okay. The other document wasn't as good. But to link it, so I clicked on the image, insert link, went back to where my original document was. I highlighted the URL, copied it, pasted it. Now here, you don't want the kids to edit, so change this word edit to view, apply, and now it's linked. So when they open it, they can see, they'll pull up your original document in the view only mode, not able to edit it. So here, what did I do? Back to my notebook. I'm sorry, I have so many tabs open. So here, when they go to present, if they want it enlarged, especially like this one, they can click on it and it'll open it from the Google Docs view. They won't be able to edit it because I changed the URL to view. But then they can also use Snap and Read, and I thought that would be good to put in for, because they're already talking about making sure we serve our IEP students too. So, and it works really. Snap and Read was kind of funny. I was playing around with it. You have to really zoom in for it to read the text okay. Oh, I didn't highlight that okay. That may not come up. We'll see. And it takes a minute.
All required assignments are completed and organized neatly in the interactive student notebook.
Anyways, you get the idea. So I think that helps. The other thing I learned on that site, which we might be able to do with our notebooks, is when I link the assignments, somebody was saying that you could also force a copy to the students. So if you were to copy the link and change this instead of view, if you changed it to copy, they would automatically get a copy of your assignment. So I don't know if that could be something we use. Anyways, that's how what I've done so far.